An algorithm refers to a set of step-by-step instructions or a computational procedure designed to solve a specific problem or accomplish a particular task. In essence, it is a well-defined sequence of operations or rules that transform input data into the desired output or outcome. Algorithms play a crucial role in various fields, including mathematics, computer science, and data analysis. They provide a systematic approach to problem solving and are implemented in software programs to automate tasks or enable machines to perform specific functions. A good algorithm possesses several key characteristics. It should be unambiguous, meaning that each step is precisely defined and leaves no room for interpretation. It should be effective, efficiently solving the problem or accomplishing the task it is designed for. Additionally, an algorithm should be finite, meaning it terminates after a finite number of steps. Finally, it should be generalizable, allowing it to be applied to different instances of the same problem or task. When designing an algorithm, factors such as time complexity, how long it takes to run, space complexity, how much memory it requires, and correctness, whether it produces the correct output, are important considerations. Different algorithms can exist for solving the same problem, and their efficiency can vary based on these factors. Researchers and computer scientists continuously strive to develop new algorithms or improve existing ones to achieve faster and more optimal solutions. Overall, algorithms form the foundation of computational processes, serving as the building blocks for problem solving and automation in various domains.